Hello. So exercise 3.5 question number 1, right? I already make you understand the concept of the mode. Now let's solve the practical questions, because no one will give you the marks of concept, but you have to solve the question by using the concept, right? Suppose if you have knowledge, but if you are not apply it, then it will not become art. So if you have knowledge, then do the application of the knowledge, then it become art. So here we apply our knowledge, whatever we understand from the concept of the mode, will apply in the practical question. Now IQ levels of the student is given below. So find modal value. So underline modal value and mark it as Z. Now tell me which value is repeated here. So can I say 138, 138 and 138 repeated 3 times? Repeated 3 times. 3 times, yes or no? So can I say mode equal to 138, right? IQ levels. So observation 138 is repeated maximum number of times. Therefore, mode equal to 138. And here don't use Z, right? In 10th standard we use Z, but right now we have to use mo, right? We have to use mo. So here we will use MO. Understood this? Clear now? So first question is done. Okay, question number 2 now. Be attentive everyone, be attentive. Following table gives the number of cakes sold each day at a bakery. The more, find the more, underline more and mark it as more for the sale of cakes. Now number of cakes is marked as XI and number of days marked as FI. Now tell me which observation is having highest frequency. So see, observation 13 having highest frequency. So here our mode will be 13, and in reason write observation having highest frequency. So here write number of cakes, right? So write the unit also. It's very important to write unit, everyone. Okay, now question number 3. Question number 4, comment on the mode for the following data showing the time taken for 8 competitors running in a race. So 25.2 till 27.8 data is given. Does any number repeated in this series of data? So if you observe, no data is repeated. Every data is repeated only single time. So here you can write like this: mode is nil, no mode. That means no mode, right? So here write as per definition of mode. As per definition of mode, mode cannot be find, or you can say found, for the given data. Understood this? Clear? You write the statement. See, in 10th standard you use empirical formula, but here whenever you see raw data, right? So whenever, if there is no any observation repeated, that means every observation is repeated only one time. So you can write mode equal to nil, right? Now this question you will solve. Question number 10, this question you will solve in homework, right? Right, this time classes and frequency is given. So this is continuous data. Now Weekly profit and loss information of vendor is available as follow. Find modal profit. Underline modal and mark it as MO. So what is the class length? 0 to 2, 4 to 4. So class length is 2. That means class length is equal. No two highest frequency is no, there is no two highest frequency. So first of all, this is my modal class. Yes or no? Highest frequency is 14. So modal class will be 2 to 4. Yes or no? Now this one is called as FM. This one is F1 and this one is F2, right? So we write the formula that MO equal to L plus bracket, very important, do the bracket, then FM minus F1 upon 2FM minus F1 minus F2 and multiply by C. Now L 2 to 4, what is the lower limit in that? 2 plus FM is frequency of modal class is 14, F1 is 8 divided by 14 2s are 28 minus 8 minus F2 6 multiply by 2. Now solve this. So 2 plus 14 minus 8 into 2 divided by 14, so 0.86. We have to round off up to 2 decimals, right? I make you understand how to round off up to 2 decimals. Did you remember or not? So round off up to 2 decimals. If you are not able to round off up to 2 decimal, your answer will not match with the textbook answer. Always you have to round up to 2 decimal. Now 2 plus 0.86, so 2.86. And what is the unit? Profit in 1000. Clear? Yes. Now this one also question on the mode. So producer believes that mode of his daily production is 70. That is, producer assume कि my mode of my is daily is 70. That means his mode is 70. The distribution production from the data after making changes in the design of the produce unit is as follow. But data is given as follow. So now we from the data, this is the data is given. Is there any change in the mode of number of item produced? That means we calculate the mode from this data and then we compare with the producer mode, and we have to give the answer. Does there is any change in the mode or not? So first, see, this is equal class length, only one highest frequency is given. So can I say this is my modal class 10? So can I say highest frequency? So my modal class will be 70 to 74. Yes or no? Then after FM will be, this is my FM, this is my F1 and this is my F2. So mode equal to L plus FM minus F1 upon 2FM minus F1 minus F2 multiply by C. Now see, lower boundary means here lower boundary point. So this is this inclusive class or exclusive class? So this is inclusive class. See, 64, after 64 there is a 65, so there is a gap between these two. That means this is inclusive class. So we have to deduct 0.5 from the lower limit, generally in maximum number of cases. So here from 70 you have to deduct 0.5, so it becomes 69.5, right? Then after FM is 10 minus F1 is 7 upon 2FM is 10 into 220 minus 7 minus 8 into, what is the class length? 5. So class length will be 5. 70 to 74, you have to count 70 as well as 74 in our calculation. So 70, 71, 72, 73 and 74. So 5 class length, right? So now what would be the answer of the bracket? You also solve. use calculator. So do 10 minus 7, so 3 into 5, 15 divided by 5, that means 3. So answer will be 72.5 number of units, right? So producer claim is rejected, right? Producer claim is rejected as mode production of factory, right, is 72.5 units. Okay, so this is the mode concept. We cover each and every type. Okay, so question number 3 is 3.5 exercise, question number 3, right? This is exercise 3.5, question number 3. The distribution of age of 48% in an old age home is given below. Which formula will be appropriate to find mode and why? Find the modal age, that means more of the person in the old age home using the formula you have chosen. So here we have to find mode, but now which formula will you apply here? They ask you the questions. So first of all, see, age is given 50 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 85, 85 to 100. You can see your class length is not equal. Here 70 to 85, that means a difference of 15, and here there is a difference of 5. So class length is not equal. So whenever the class length is not equal, so we will use empirical formula, right? Which formula? Empirical formula to obtain mode, right? So mode equal to 3m minus 2x bar. Right, we cannot use that L plus Fm minus F1 upon 2 Fm minus F1 minus F2 wali formula, because we will use that formula only when class length is equal and there is no two highest frequency is given. Whenever unequal class length is given, two highest frequency is given, mixed frequency distribution is given, we will always use empirical formula. It is given by Carl Pearson. It can be asked for in MCQ for 1 marks, and there is one of the question is there in section B. Okay, who give empirical formula? So Carl Pearson statistician name hai. Now see, first of all I will change the pen color because रेड से ही लिखते जा रहा हूँ मैं now. Black. So first of all we need to find median and we need to find x bar to obtain modal value. So let's first of all, class is, we will write the class 50 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 85, 85 to 100. Now you write number of person, that means our frequency. So 6, 10, 19, 9, sorry, 6, 10, 19, 9 and 4. Right, now what is the total of this? So total will be 16, 35, 48, and we have to obtain x bar. So which formula will you apply here? So x formula will be x bar equal to sigma fi xi up. So x bar formula sigma fi xi, and so we need to find xi here. So 50 plus 60, 110 divided by 2. So my class length will be 55. Yes or no? Then after 60 plus 65, so my class length will be 62.5. Then my class length next will be 67.5. Then 70 plus 85 divided by 2. So my class length will be 77.5. Then 85 plus 100 divided by 2. So my class length will be 92.5. Now do FIXI as per the requirement of the formula. See, we will prepare column as per formula only. Don't cram it. See, here we require sigma FIXI, so we prepare FIXI. Now do multiplication of this fi and xi. So 55 into 6, 330, 10 into 62.5, 6 to 25, 67.5 into 19. So 1282.5, use calculator everyone. 77.5 into 9. So 697.5, 92.5 into 4. So 370. And what would be the total? So use GT option in your calculator. So answer will be 3305. Now we will put the value in the formula. Simple. Just 3305 in place of sigma fi xi, and what is n? 48. So what would be the answer? So answer will be 68.85 years. Remember, we have to round up to 2 decimals, and I have teach you how to round up to 2 decimals. See, understand? Suppose your answer like coming like this, 16.33333. So you have to see this third digit. If it is less than 5, does this 3 less than 5 or not? So write 16.33 as it is up to 2 decimal. But if it is 15.666, so what is third digit? It is, does 6 is more than 5 or not? It is more than 5. So do the plus 1 here. So your round off will be 15.67. Understood this? So if it is more than 5, that means 5 or more than 5, add 1 in the 2 number after point. Suppose your answer like on calculator 13.333. So does this 3 less than 5 or not? So write 13.33 as it is. Understood this? So this is called round up to 2 decimals. So see, if you are not able to do this, if you don't do this in the question, your answer will not match 100%, doesn't match with the textbook answer. Yeah. Now x bar, we obtain value of x bar. Now we need to obtain median. Now when there is a positional measures, when we have to obtain positional measure, we have to obtain CFI. Now see, this is fi, so we start adding from top to bottom. So 6 plus 10, 16, 16 plus 19, 35, 35 plus 9, 44, and 44 plus 4, 48. So n, my total CFI will be 48. Now step number 1, do you remember or not? First we find median class. What we find? Median class. So median class formula is value of n upon tooth observation, right? And value of n is 48, so divided by 2 observation, right? Now value of 24th observation. Now 24th will be fall here, so here, so 65 to 17 will be my median class, and this is my fi, and this is my CFI. CFI is always preceding value, so L will be 65, median class 65 to 70, class length of this 65 to 70, class length of particular class. Then fi is 19 and CFI is 16. Okay, now step number 2, median value. So m equal to L plus in bracket n upon 2 minus CF upon F multiply by C. So what is median L value? 65 plus n upon 2 is 24 minus CFI 16 upon 19 into 5. So answer will be, what would be the answer of this bracket? 65, and if you solve the bracket, 2.11, right? So 67.11 years. Now we have x bar, we have median, so we put the value in the formula of empirical formula, right? MO equal to 3m minus 2x bar. So in case of median, I will write 67.11. In case of x bar, I will write 68.85. Now if you solve, so mode will be 63.63 years. So this is how you can find mode when there is an unequal class length. You have to use empirical formula. How many situations are there? 3 situations. When there is unequal class length, remember these are very important. When there is unequal class length, when there is a two highest frequency, when there is a mixed frequency distribution is given. Understood this? Now question number 3, this is section F of your GSEB textbook, page number I think 119. Right? Now distribution of the sale of the cars is as follow. Find mode. Mode means more of number of cars sold during using an appropriate formula. So 0 to 10, 10 to 15, then 24, 26 and 28. So this is which type of data? This is mixed frequency distribution. What? Mixed data, or you can say mixed frequency distribution. So this is mixed frequency distribution, so we have to use empirical formula to obtain mode. So 3m minus 2x bar. So again we find median and we find x bar in this situation. So first let us write the data from the question. So 0 to 10, 10 to 15. Be very careful while writing this data. If you made a mistake in writing this data, then your whole question will be wrong, even if your all methods and formula will be right. So be very accurate while you writing this data, and statistics teach you the accuracy, right? So now what is the x bar formula? Tell me. Sigma fi xi upon n. बचपन से करते आ रहे हैं. Now mid value. So 0 to 10, so 0 plus 10 divided by 2, so 5, 10 plus 15 divided by 2, so 12.5, then 17.5, now 24, don't do 24 divided by 2. Many of the students fall in this trap. Okay, they do 24 divided by 2 and 12, don't do this. 24 itself is xi, itself mid value. So directly write 24, very important topic. 26, directly write 26. 28, directly write 28. Now do fi xi. So do 18 into 5, so 40. 14 into 12.5, 175. 16 into 17.5, 280. 11 into 24, 264. 26 into 4, 104 and 56. So my sigma fi xi will be 919, right? If you take the total, it will be 919. Okay, did you understand that topic? Right, very important. If you are not able to understand, go backward and then again watch the video. So 919 divided by n, so n will be 55. So 919 divided by 55, so what would be the answer of x bar? 16.71 years. Unit is years. Okay, then after median, now whenever we find Bojistal measure, we have to obtain CFI because Fi is given. So 8 plus 14, 22, 22 plus 16, 38, 38 plus 11, 49, 49 plus 4, 53, and 53 plus 2, 55. Does it match with our n or not? Yes, it is matched. That means your CFI is right. So first step, median class. We have to obtain what? Median class. So value of n upon tooth observation. So value of, what is n? 55. So divided by tooth observation. So value of 27.5th observation. So 27/5, where does it fall? So it is fall here. So my median class will be 15 to 20. right? So median class will be 15 to 20, where L equal to 15, C equal to 5, class length of this class is 5, Fi is 16, this one, and this one my CA5 will be 20. To always take a preceding, right? Now formula M equal to L plus in bracket N upon 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by C. So what is L? 15 plus N upon 2, 27.5 minus CF, 22 divided by 16 multiplied by 5. So 15 plus, if you solve the bracket, what would be the answer? 1.72. So 16.72 will be the answer of median. Is this clear, everyone? Now empirical formula. So mode equal to 3m minus 2x bar. So 3m 16.72 to x bar. X bar means 16.71. Now if you solve this, mode will be 16.74 years. Understood this? Okay. So did you understand how to use empirical formula? So almost we have completed the mode, by how to obtain mode by using the formula. Now last topic is left. Okay, how to obtain mode by using graph, how to obtain mode graphically, right? So how to obtain mode graphically? To understand this, see, mode obtained through graph, through diagram, right? And mode obtained through diagram is called histogram, right? Now see, basically I am taking one extra question to explain you. Okay, suppose class is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50, and the frequency is given, suppose 4 to 10, or let's say 8, not 10, 8, let's say 6 and 2, 4, let's say 4 and 2, and they ask you what obtain mode through diagram or graphically. So what will you do? Now I'll explain you hypothetically one example, and then two example you will solve on your own. Suppose this is a line, suppose this is y-axis and this is my x-axis, right? So classes will be come on x-axis always, here 0. So 0 to 10 and 20, 40, 50. So can I take 1 centimeter equal to 10, equal distance 20, equal distance 30, equal distance 40, equal distance 50. Now frequency is, highest frequency is 6 and lowest frequency is 2. So can I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Understood this? So 1 centimeter equal to 1 I take on y-axis. Now 0 to 10, what is the frequency? So frequency is 4, right? So you can draw the line like this. We have to draw one line here, right? Okay, then after 10 to 22. So here join this and draw one line 20, right? Then after 20 to 36, so 6 is here. First I have to draw the line here till 6, then this, and then okay, then 30 to 44, so this is 4, and again I will draw one diagram till 40, then again 2, so one line here, and then approximately here. Now see, this is highest bar, so mode is always highest. So here you will do one line like this, you will do one line, you join this, again you will join here this 2 point and draw the straight line. Now make a perpendicular here from that intersection. Okay, so what is approximate value here? Here near 30, so my approximate value of mode will be 29. Suppose you take 28, then also write. Suppose someone take 29.5, then also write. So this is what mode using you obtain graphically, right? Understood this? Clear now? So this I cover whole topic of mode. Everything is covered. Okay, so now you can solve other questions.